It's mask day today. I am using the Holy Moly Elasticity Pomegranate Sheet Mask. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I think it's very standard in terms of mask. It's not very flexible. There's some masks that I know that feel more gelatiny and then they have more of a give. This is just your standard paper one. I don't think like Trevor would fit it very well because he has like a more prominent nose. So certain features it definitely wouldn't cover the whole face. It smells like pomegranate, but I don't think if you're looking for something that's more hydrating, I think this is just like your standard. Like if you're planning on doing one every day and you need like, you're not looking for like high quality, you're just looking for like something that will like keep it hydrated. And I think this is a pretty good one. But with Trevor, we're gonna do Holika Lazy Nose. It's to get rid of blackheads. And I don't really know if Trevor has blackheads. Let's see. Okay, so. Oh, you definitely have like some blackheads in there.
No.
Yes.
No, I have none.
Okay. So step 1, you melt. Step 2, you cleanse. Step 3, you extract. Or you tighten. I guess that's extracting already. Are you ready? That's what we're gonna do your face today.
Cool.
So it just looks like that. And it's supposed to melt your blackheads.
Sick.
And then you pluck it out, and you tighten. That is a long ass extraction period. That's like 40 minutes right there. Do you feel anything while having it on? Is it cooling?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, step 2 time. Glasses off. Oh.
A mustache?
No, it has the little egg thing. That's cute. So it's sticky. You put it on you and then we rip it off.
It's not sticky.
It's a little sticky. So the instructions say after washing and drying the face. Step 1, pure cotton sheet attached to nose, remove after 15 minutes. And then step 2, fully wet the nose with water. With dry hands, attach it. And then when the pack is completely dry after 15 minutes, slowly remove from the edges. And then lastly, take out step 3 and place it after 10 minutes, remove the sheet. Come. We have to wet the nose. And then stick it on. And then
that won't go in there.
That's hard. Oh, you feel that?
Go, go, go.
Okay, I don't want to hurt you. Did we do it? I think we got very little.
Oh, we got some.
Only that middle part is like super gross. The rest is not bad actually. Let's see your beautiful nose.
You see some? Look at that.
Let's see it. Let's see if you can see this. I don't have any. I'm beautiful. Hello. So you know it's a quality mask that's got that gel that I really like. It's not paper. It's like a jelly kind of texture. So it just sticks better. And I just feel like it feels less like aggressive than a paper mask, you know? And you're a beautiful boy in 10 minutes. You can take it off now, I think.
I'm ready. Oh yeah, I got it in there, babe.
Look at that beautiful nose of yours. Look this way. That way? What do you think about this one? What's your product review on it?
Oh, 5 out of 5. I would recommend.
Yeah, I would recommend too. I thought it was really good. I mean, the instructions could have been a little bigger. That's my only like criticism. Because they were like really small and hard to read. They could have like written it on the front, like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. But like, I like the 3-step process. The egg was really cute. I like the little touch. And I like the gel. So yeah, 5 out of 5. I'd recommend too. I think it was a really good product.
Comfort.
Boy.
Material strong mesh.